Alright, so after adjusting this, this is the leveling data that I get. And I guess this is just a reading of the leveling data. And if it's printing wrong, you can adjust these numbers and it will change from what I can tell. The instruction manual, it doesn't tell you any of this. I found this Creality after sales video which shows them adjusting this and some other stuff like that. Obviously, it's a known problem. So I don't know how this is going to print. I'm not going to adjust anything. These numbers all like, you know, pretty close to each other here. They're interesting. I still think that it is bent here and here though, because we see here negative, negative, and negative, and negative, and negative in that area, and then positive in the middle, and then even worse here. So anyway, we can try and print our file again, I guess, and see what happens. I keep thinking this stupid thing is touchscreen. I wonder. I don't want to print that particular one, so I'm going to go in. This is the particular video. It is, oh God, come on. Jesus Christ. Okay. I don't normally watch YouTube on the laptop. There we go. Now we've screwed everything up. Anyway, service tutorial, enter V3, hotbed auto leveling. Where the hell did it go? So it'll look like this when you find it in your thing. So that's the one I would probably check out. I'm going to go in here and try and pull up my deal. Geez, that's the wrong one. Cura. But they all have to like have a C-shaped name. Alright, so I really feel like, you know, for $219 plus tax, I shouldn't have to be making adjustments to an entry-level printing machine. That's just kind of what I think. But, alright, so put the file that we wanted on here, and this thing's much faster at reading things than the other one. So we got calibration off. I don't know if we need it on or off. To be honest, I'm not sure. And then we still have to load our filament. What I don't understand is it only has like a thing for preheat PLA. I don't have, and then it has TPU, which is like, who the hell is going to print with TPU? I mean, most common is going to be PETG and PLA. But I don't know, maybe this thing's just not well capable of doing other filaments. Maybe that's why they have it like that. So anyway, we're trying to heat this stupid thing up so we can push the filament through. And then try printing for the millionth time. And then I guess we'll just go over here to extrude. Homing! No other operations are allowed. Something that was supposed to be so simple and so easy to use has already turned into be a gigantic pain in the butt. And I think the magnet might be up a little high. But, you know, why are there no adjusters on this stupid thing? And I'm going to guess that you could probably put your own adjusters on it. That's what I'm thinking. You must be able to. But that's not the point. I paid $219 plus tax. And, you know, man, I would have expected this damn thing to frickin' work for more than a couple days. I don't even know if it ever would have worked because basically I never tried to print anything large with it. Okay. There we go. It's moving. And it's pooping. That's a lot of poo. Okay. Okay, so now we need to get in here with, oh, goodness. You need a poop catcher for the excrement. Okay, so we got that there. Okay, so it's gonna start dropping our temperature fast, which means no, god damn it. I don't know if I hit the right button. I think I just told it to do the same thing again twice. These printers are just really frustrating to me. Like, I think, you know, like, God, I don't want to sit here and do this 2 different times. I gotta go over here and find the scraper thing, because that's actually what I need to be using to deal with this. And I don't know where it is. Let's get this popsicle stick. Okay. I'm just gonna crap out a bunch more junk. Oh, we have to wait for it to heat up again. It's like, okay. Here we go. Pooping again. Well, at least it's got good flow, right? How much crap are you gonna poop out? Come on, this is ridiculous. And it's like such a waste of freaking material if you gotta do this over and over on accident. Okay. We got most of it out of there. And because I'm a moron. Alright. Let's try and print our winder. Do we want our calibration on or off? I have no clue. It's gonna leave it on. We'll just let it do what it's gonna do. I don't know what the temperature is supposed to be set to. So what I found that happened before is like a bunch of crap on the end of it. Man. Trying to keep the boogers out of the print. Oh my god. It's working. Holy hell. Crappy, but working. That's not gonna work. Man, oh man.